organ.
Gotta give me a heads up. Hello, everyone, and welcome to my secret lair.
Secret. Although I guess to you it's not so secret anymore.
Unless you don't get out of here alive. But more on that later. First, some introductions. I am the organ grinder, lover of music, student of people, and oh yes, serial killer. But hey, we all have our faults, and I'm not without a sense of fair play. You see, all of you can get out of here alive. Just find the clues, solve the puzzles. Everything you need to get out is here, somewhere. So leave no stones unturned, no clues unfound, and soon you'll be singing like a canary. Wait, weren't canaries the birds that used to die
Down in the
coal mines?
Dad, Mom says dinner is ready.
Tell her I'm working.
I did. She said to come up right now.
Wives. Well, you'll have to excuse me. I have to go tune my instruments. I hate to leave you here in the dark. Don't worry. I'll be back in about an hour to check on you. I am dying to see what's inside your heads. But until then, some motivational music
From an organ.